Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, and in today's video I'm going to show you part of one of my guided practice routines from over on my Patreon page. And what we're looking at here is our third year of Arpeggio April. This is routine number 114. And what you're going to see here is a good picking workout. So this is a nice intermediate picking workout for anybody that is new to focusing on their alternate picking motion as being something that they need to focus on and work out. Of course, I've included the camera angle from my magnet so you can really see that motion in the picking hand. I'm not thinking in that picking hand. It's just down, up, down, up, down, up at all times. It's a very relaxed motion, just like breathing. My hand always moves down, up in time with the music. So if you do enjoy this practice routine and you want to do more of these, check out the link in the description to my Patreon page and I will maybe see you over there. Good luck.